अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम लोग करेंगे क्लास 8 फिजिक्स चैप्टर 3 फोर्स एंड प्रेशर का न्यूमेरिकल्स पार्ट 1 पेज 55। दिस क्वेश्चन इज गिवन इन योर बुक। अ डोर इज ओपन बाय अप्लाइंग अ फोर्स ऑफ 50 न्यूटन ऑन द हैंडल एट अ परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ 0.20 मीटर फ्रॉम द हिंग्स ऑफ द डोर। कैलकुलेट द मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द डोर। डोर ओपन करने के लिए हम लोग फोर्स कितना अप्लाई करें 50 न्यूटन और परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस कितना है एट अ परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस 0.20 मीटर। We have to calculate the moment of force. As force is given 50 Newton and distance is equal to 0.20 meter. The formula of moment of force we know, I have already taught you. Moment of force is equal to force into distance. Force is given 50 and distance is given 0.20. That means 50 into 20 by 100. Since the point is given after 2 digits, so it will be divided by 100. 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 10s are 50. That means 10 Newton meter. Moment of force is 10 Newton meter. This is the answer. Next, number 2. A force of 20 Newton acts on an object such that moment of force is 40 Newton meter. Calculate the perpendicular distance between the point of application of force and the turning point. Here force is given. Let me explain first. Force is 20 न्यूटन का फोर्स हम लोग एक ऑब्जेक्ट पे लगा रहे हैं सच दैट मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स है उसका 40 न्यूटन मीटर। हम लोग को कैलकुलेट करना है परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस। सो फोर्स इज गिवन 20 न्यूटन and moment of force. So you have first write down what is given from the question. Moment of force is equal to 40 Newton meter. Same formula that I have already told you. We have to calculate the distance. So moment of force is equal to force into distance. Force is 20 Newton and distance is, we don't know distance. And moment of force is 40. So 20 will come down and distance will remain here. Here 0 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4s. That means distance is equal to 2 meter. So we can easily write distance is equal to 2 meter. This is the answer. Next is number 4, page 56. What is the question? A force of 20 Newton acts on an object of area or cross section 10 centimeter square. Calculate the pressure exerted by the object in Pascal. So what is given here? Force is given. As we know, force is equal to thrust, which is equal to 20 Newton, and area is equal to 10 centimeter square. This we have to convert into meter square. How we will do? As we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter and 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. This is just like unitary method. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 1 we will multiply this 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter. So here also we will multiply 1 by 100 meter into 1 by 100 meter. That means 1 centimeter square is equal to 1 upon 10,000. 1 2 3 4 10,000 meters square. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 10,000 meter square. So 10 centimeter can be easily converted into meter square. Write down this and multiply 10 meter square. 0 0 cancel, it will be 1 upon 1000 meter square. Formula of pressure is already given. Pressure is equal to thrust by area. That is, thrust is 20 and this is 1 upon 1000 meter square. 1 upon 1000. That means 1000 will go up and 1 will remain down. That is 20,000 Pascal. Pressure is 20,000 Pascal. That is the answer. अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज हम लोग करेंगे क्लास 8 फिजिक्स चैप्टर 3 फोर्स एंड प्रेशर न्यूमेरिकल्स पार्ट 2 पेज 56। दिस इज पार्ट 2। Calculate the force applied on an area of 80 meter square to produce a pressure of 2000 pascal. यानी कि हम लोग को force निकालना है on an area of 80 meter square. That means area is given 80 meter square and pressure is given 2000 pascals. So what is given? First write that area is equal to 80 meter square and pressure is equal to 2000 pascal. We know the formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to thrust by area. So pressure is 2000, thrust we have to calculate, and area is 80 meter square. So write down 2000 here, 80 will go up and thrust will remain here. 80 will come here. That means 8 2s are 16. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. That means 1,60,000. This is thrust. Since we know thrust is force, so that is force is equal to 1,60,000 Newton. Next, find the area of cross section of a book weighing 180 Newton producing a pressure of 10 pascal. हमको लोग को निकालना है एरिया ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शन, वो बॉक्स का जिसका वेट है 180 न्यूटन और प्रेशर है 10 पास्कल. सो वेट, एज वी नो, वेट इज इक्वल टू फोर्स विच इज इक्वल टू thrust, that is 180 Newton, and pressure is equal to 10 Pascal. Again you have to write down the formula of pressure, that is thrust by area. Pressure is 10, thrust is 180, area we don't know, we have to calculate area. So area will come up and 10 will go down. 10 will come here and area will come here. This cancels. This is 18. Area is equal to 18 meter square. This is your answer. Next. A wooden block of dimension 80 meter into 20 meter is placed on a table. We have to calculate the pressure when the thrust acting is 8000 Newton. एक wooden block dimension दिया हुआ है, यानी कि एरिया दिया हुआ है, वो प्लेस है एक टेबल के ऊपर. हम लोग को प्रेशर निकालना है जिसका थ्रस्ट है 8000 न्यूटन. सो व्हाट इज गिवन? एरिया इज गिवन. एरिया इज इक्वल टू 80 मीटर इंटू 20 मीटर. Thrust is 8000 Newton. Since we know the formula of pressure, pressure is equal to thrust by area. That means the pressure, we don't know pressure. Thrust is 8000 divided by 80 into 20. 0 0 cancel this one also. 8 1s are 8, 8 10s are 80. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. That means 5 Pascal. Pressure is 5 Pascal. This is the answer. Thank you. अस्सलामु अलैकुम. आज हम लोग करेंगे क्लास 8 फिजिक्स चैप्टर 3 फोर्स एंड प्रेशर न्यूमेरिकल्स पार्ट 3. So we have to come to this question. Question number 1. A solid object weighs 200 Newton when placed on a wooden plank. The area of contact is found to be 5 meters square. Find the pressure exerted by the solid object on the wooden plank. एक solid object का weight कितना है? 200 Newton. जब वो प्लेस हो रहा है वुडन प्लैंक पे, उसका एरिया ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट इज ऑल्सो गिवन 5 मीटर स्क्वायर. वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द प्रेशर. सो व्हाट इज गिवन? फर्स्ट राइट डाउन. वेट इज गिवन. एज वी नो, वेट इज इक्वल टू फोर्स, दैट इज इक्वल टू थ्रस्ट. थ्रस्ट इज इक्वल टू 200 न्यूटन and area is equal to 5 meters square. We have to calculate the pressure. We all know the formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to thrust by area. Thrust is 200 and area is 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 40s are 200. That means pressure is 40 Pascal. Newton per meter, that is Pascal. That means pressure is equal to 40 Pascal. This is the answer. Next question, that is this one. A scooter weighs 1800 Newton. The pressure exerted by one of its tires is 120 Pascal. Find the area of the tire in contact with the road. स्कूटर का वेट कितना है? 1800 न्यूटन. उसका प्रेशर जो एक्सर्ट हो रहा है दैट इज़ 120 पास्कल. हम लोग को निकालना है एरिया ऑफ द टायर. तो व्हाट इज गिवन? वेट. वेट इज इक्वल टू फोर्स विच इज इक्वल टू थ्रस्ट. थ्रस्ट इज गिवन 1800. So we are writing down what is given first. Pressure. Pressure is given 120 Pascal. We have to calculate the area. Write down the formula of pressure. Pressure is equal to thrust by area. That is, pressure is 120 and thrust is 1800 divided by area. Area will come up and 120 will go down. Area will come here and 120 will go down. Cancel this. 6 2s are 12, 6 30s are 180, 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30. That means area is equal to 15 meters square. This is the answer. Assalamu alaikum.